Hello everyone, welcome to the channel.
We're on the way to the coop.
Ah, you want to speak finally?
I was holding the camera because I'm a camera girl.
Yeah, she don't shake as much as I do. I'm a shaker.
Shaker.
Man, up on.
Maing hapon.
Professional.
Maing hapon is good afternoon.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna check our chickens inside the coop. So we've been saving some of our chicks last few days. And maybe first week of next month we're gonna incubate more eggs because we have a lots of people has been asking about our chicks, and we're gonna
Hey guys.
have more. We need to incubate more eggs, guys.
Are you hungry?
So my husband has been cooking with the chickens. We already feed them this afternoon. So we're gonna try to give some foods for them. Be careful ha, they gonna bite you.
If they bite me, they end up being lunch. Yeah,
What kind of roaster is this, babe? Because
it's black Astrolot.
this one? Because that guy ba is asking what breed of chicken.
See, look at his eyes, his legs. Oh, you want some? See, you want a hand.
Yeah. So, yeah. Uy, that's Rhode Island Red there, that roaster.
Yeah. Right here. They're right here. We got two of them.
Bashan told me we only have one Rhode Island Red. I think we have two roaster. Gala, look at that.
They're active today.
Not give them many because I will give more when I do some video on my reels.
Yeah, he's purebred right here. Those hens are purebred.
Yeah.
And that roosters are purebred. Red.
That other roaster is afraid with this roaster here. That one. Scared.
Are you bad? Where are you going?
I love this.
Thought I'd come over and
chicken.
see you, Bruiser. How you doing?
I'm gonna check browser here. This pan.
Had to come visit Bruiser.
Yeah. It's getting more bigger now. Watch your feet, huh? We have some chickens in the pullet pen that they're not been feeling good. We separate them.
God, you're big.
Want to give some of the black astrolorp also?
Yeah. See, that's actually more Rhode Island red than it is black axolotl in here. The rooster that should be in here is one over there.
Hi. Not many. Looks like they're not really hungry because they just eat.
Mm.
Still have some foods there at container.
What's the?
Kani Rhode Island, Rhode Island red man aday. Ha? Anak ka usara. Ha? Gan anak ka usara ka buok na bilin. Kato di ay Rhode Island ang tugod. Rhode Island na siya.
That's Rhode Island red.
Naira na
there.
siya kuan, manamay uban gud na di magkapariha.
That's a black axolotl there. He should be in here.
But
The one with the
Black
black
axolotl.
eyes.
black astrolot daw na day. Kato. Oy
What's
tipon
got the
na
black
diri.
eyes?
Kana
He's got black eyes and black legs.
itong yang kuan mata. Oy diri daw na itipon. If you put it in that pen there, then the other roaster we're gonna
Well, take him out.
ibali lang day, ibali-bali.
Yeah. Exchange.
Oh, ilis-ilis lang sila bakit para kuan. Ka-exercise ang usa. So we have two black astrolorp roaster that we gonna separate them
See, that's
together.
purebred.
Yeah,
This
because
one inside's not.
so we
See,
gonna let
this is Polish rock right here.
yeah. We're gonna let him out this one here and we're gonna put another one inside so that he can exercise his body. They don't want to go out. Pagawsa lang sa siguro ni wala pa man taga-incubate. We just let them out. Bebe, we just let them out for now because we're not incubate yet so that they can exercise.
Okay.
So we just let them out for now because we're not incubating some eggs this time. Ay open na daday ah.
Sulod ka kung eksa po dahil kaya na sila ba, dili mo hulong niya. Mamatay madugay ba?
Asa may iso gaton usa?
Yeah, just
So this roaster
You know,
here, that one, and the
I
other
leave the door
roaster.
open so because that's where they're used to roosting.
Yeah, they're not. They always fight together, so we need to separate one of them. We need to close this one here because that roaster, the other one is very aggressive, baby. They always fight to the other one. Tired,
Yeah.
back tired,
We're back.
pain, back pain.
Yeah.
Ang syamo, hindi mo kuan.
Bruiser in a new territory. Look
Try
at that.
the kuan. Di ba na siya mangunsa?
No, I get a good view of the bruiser there.
That's Bruiser there. We turn them loose.
He's huge.
Yeah. Shamu with exercise. We turn
Oh my God! Look how big he is.
Shamu loose also so that he can exercise.
That's Shamu. Look.
Yung
My
sama
God.
daw, palagi na naayo. Yung sama ayo na na. They look so happy. Look at that hen there. Look. The black astrolorp.
That's how they dust themselves. Get the insects off.
Yeah.
I noticed Mr. Long is not as aggressive as the last time when you turn him out.
That's Mr. Lone here. We call it Mr. Long, the Shamu, because he's very long, very tall. Dito ni Rhode Island Red, diri day? Rhode Island Red, tulo itong Rhode Island.
Ha?
Ang Rhode Island Red nga rooster ba tulo di ay?
Ay, nasa.
Rhode Island na siya. So we have 3 Rhode Island Red roaster. 3 roaster of Rhode Island Red.
Mm-hmm. I told you we did. Where are you going there, Bruiser? Huh? Hmm? Where are you going? Huh?
He's happy, baby.
Huh?
He's happy.
Where are you going, huh? Come on over here. Yeah.
Sabong na sila day.
Pwede rin sila ipagawas na basta di mag-incubate ba?
Yeah?
Away na ron. Bilibili ko man
Lala, oh my God! Look at them, buddy. Oh my gosh.
You're messing with the wrong
The
one
other
there.
one is very aggressive. Oh, look at the feeder of this. Wow! Oh.
Now, Bruiser hurt him.
Hey, browser.
No, what?
Stop. Lala, lala.
Mapilang siya mo.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Shamu is.
Here comes the daddy. Yep. Mr. Long says, I'll straighten you out.
Yeah. Sila, kailangan dyan siya sulod ng kagabi ba kasi makuha niya. Kailangan dyan siya isulod kaya basin di makabantay ba.
Kuhaan dyan mo rin kay. Abi, malakaw ko ito yung mga bulhog. Yung hadlok mo ko.
Gani. So we can turn loose the other.
He's gotten tame.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Look at Bibi. That's Shamu and Browser.
Nalagpot, oy.
It's like they're just playing each other. Stay. Hoy, hoy. Dako na kay Day. Ayun. So we need to put him inside because he has been hurting the other rooster.
You okay, Bruiser? I'll tell you what. He's one
Gani.
brave rooster to
Sayang
take on
tayo.
two.
Ha?
He's one brave rooster to take on two. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're a big boy, yeah. There we go again.
Nayo-ayo na ni sila diri Day.
Yeah. You want to calm down. Yeah.
Oh, oregano lang isigi kuan kay para kuan ra siya bang hinubi. So we gave them some oregano. We have some chickens here in the pullet pen. It's not feeling good. So we gave them some herbal medicine, oregano. We have a lot of oregano leaf here. I just not want to open the door for now because I don't want to step inside and get the their illness can spread to the other chicken. It's not really good. So we need to be more careful because not to spread their cold from the other chicken. So we have some chickens there be in the pullet pen. They have a cold and we give them some oregano leaf.
Okay.
We squeeze
That hen there needed some dirt.
Can you hold the camera, please? I was going to feed them and I'm gonna off this for now, okay? I'm gonna talk to my... That's my phone.
Hold on just a second. Wait. Let me clip this here so I won't lose it. There we go. Looks like we got a.
Hold the camera.
Looks like we got a couple of fighters over there. Yeah, a couple of fighters there. I wonder when they're going to quit. Hey, Bruiser. Yeah. Yeah. Where you going? Huh? Yeah, Bruiser's going to go over and show him how it's done. See? Can't get over him. He wasn't afraid. He was taking on two. There he going back over to his hen. You're getting some exercise. You guys went back in your coop, didn't you? They're behind me here. Anyway, tell you what, I got some pretty roosters. Hey, Bruiser. Yeah, come on over. Yeah.
Hello.
I'm enjoying watching the roosters. Here they're at it again. What's going on there, Bruiser? Huh? Huh? You talking to me? Huh? Well, what you guys think you're doing? Bruiser, you gonna pick a fight? Huh? Hmm? You gonna pick a fight? Hmm? Oh, I see what's wrong. Your hen went in there. Yeah. Sorry, guys, I'm not talking much. I just enjoying myself out here with the. I don't get to come out. I don't come out here much, and I want to change that since the rain is over with. There we go again. He's a big boy. Tighten the camera up so it won't be. What's going on there? Hmm? Bruiser don't like it because his hen went in here.
Yeah.
We let the other rooster go back to the pen because it's very aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah, they got some exercise. That's the big thing.
Give him some spinach.
You know what? You feel good to be outside, Bruiser? Mm-hmm.
Bruiser is acting so good. Huh?
Yeah, he's looking for his hen.
Yeah.
She's went inside here and she don't like it.
So Bruiser not want to share. Not want sharing.
Okay, guys, I'm going to cut it loose from right here. And next time, thank you so very much. And don't forget to smile when you're out and about and live long and prosper.